have a new project. This is a new one. This is a new one. This is like one that comes chrome deleted, you know, so we lose out on job. Great. We're gonna be vinyl wrapping this entire Model 3. We're gonna be sticking with the same family color. However, come take a look. We're gonna be doing this really cool satin metallic white, metallic flakes. And you see it, it's kind of shining through. It's really neat. So it's satin, it's very subtle. But obviously you see this up close in person, you're like, whoa, there's something different about this Model 3. This is not like a typical Tesla white, guys. That's because it's not. It's metallic satin white. This combined with the satin black chrome delete from factory, it's gonna be really cool because that's satin, this is satin. It's gonna work really well. I'm excited to see how this turns out. Gotta start with the removal. So we got the mirrors taken off and let's get going. The new Teslas have a really cool feature with the horn. You're in my way.
In the neighborhood? Yeah, kids run out with ice cream.
Well, I never.
Let's go.
The DJ one is awesome. Dude, that's insane.
But first things first, we are doing the sides. I thought we were doing the front. I guess we're doing the sides, so I didn't know. Is it? Oh, it is done.
Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man.
What I like about this is that the flakes in the wrap is very similar to the amount of metallic flakes in the actual paint. Like it's not more, it's not less. It's pretty even, which is really cool. So it's like you kind of keep that metallic flake, but now it's satin instead of being the pearl white from Tesla. You can really start to see the satin and the metallic flakes right here when the light hits it. You can definitely see the difference between the two colors here. This is the paint, this is the wrap. Paint has silver metallic flakes, whereas the wrap has like yellowish gold metallic flakes.
Oh my god, that's so good. That looks so good.
How many people does it take to wrap for?
Too many. As eye-catching as bright, colorful wraps may be, it's not for everyone. Most of us want something that's clean, subtle, and ultimately daily drivable without all the tension all the time. Satin Frozen Vanilla, that's the name of this cool, understated yet detailed color. Under the shade, it has a simple satin white finish, but under the sun, you see all the gold flakes coming out. And the Model 3 came to us white already, but that didn't mean we could take shortcuts, and we wouldn't want to do that anyway. This color definitely meant we had to make sure we minimize any seams, if any, as much as possible, because seeing seams on a color like this immediately ruins the whole clean vibe the color gives off. So like usual, we took off any trim pieces and panels if that meant we could achieve more of a paint-like finish, because that's the goal, is to make anyone who sees this car think that it came like this from factory, but better, because you know Tesla's paint quality control is pretty bad, but that's beside the point. Besides the wrap, we also powder coated the wheels black to better match the color scheme, and we tint the sides in the back in focusing 30 to maximize heat rejection as much as possible. Bright, colorful wraps will always get a lot of attention. You just never know what kind, but understated, elegant colors like this, you just can't go wrong. So guys, hope you like that wrap job. We are actually doing some specials right now on vinyl wraps, so if you guys want to wrap your car, now is the time. Hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. It's always a time. I can't show you. It is not.
I can't show you the car because we're doing another wrap project, but stay tuned for this one. It's a cool one. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work in your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.